For today's project, I have taken this beautiful stamp set by altenew and it's called Quilt Elegance. I'll peel off the huge hello and will mount it on my Tim Holtz grid block. I am using a Memento Tuxedo black ink to stamp my image on a white cardstock. Memento Tuxedo ink is the best ink to be used when we want to use alcohol markers, and I have chosen a different alcohol marker set, which is the latest one in my craft room, and they are called the chameleon color tones. This says that one pen blends into multiple tones, so we will witness whether this happens or not. I will allow this stamped image to just get dried a bit, and then we'll be ready for the fun part, that is coloring with the chameleon pens. So these are the gorgeous chameleon pen set. There are 20 colors in this, and it also includes one fine line detail pen and a colorless blender pen. So for my project today, I'm picking up 3 colors: orange, red and green, and I will plan a more detailed video just focusing the chameleon pens and the system, but for today's project it will be a very short and quick project in which I'll be coloring my image with the chameleon pens. So I'll be speeding up the entire process, and I hope you enjoy it, and I will catch you once the coloring is all done. So these are the 3 colors I have picked up from my set of chameleon colors, and I will just start coloring them by blending it in the chamber, the alcohol chamber or the blending chamber, and we'll get various shades of all the 3 colors. There are a lot of shaded quilling strips available in the market, and I'm just trying to recreate them with my chameleon pens. I just take the nib and place it into the mixing chamber and infuse the toning medium. This changes the color, and we can create a lot of different shades. What I do is I just open my brush tip and insert it into the mixing chamber, and I'll just allow it and give it some time, and the magic begins here. A lighter tone is at the top, and the more we spend time, the more we color, the darker and the original color comes back. So you can witness it here as I'm coloring the red strip. I'm just infusing it again and again so as to get a lighter tone of red. Similarly, now we'll be doing the green, and I'll mix the green into the mixing chamber and get a lighter shade of green. This is absolute magic, and we don't need a lot of colors like we do need in Copics. Here the medium, lightest and the darkest tone is created just by one pen and by mixing it into the toning medium. I am in love with this set, and I hope I'll be able to achieve some real beautiful projects, and that'll be a lot of fun. So here we are. We almost completed the entire coloring, and I added some wink of Stella over the letters and then coated it up with the glossy accents to give it more interest. I will be adding a few sequins here and there to add more interest, and these are the sequins by Salmon Say Stamp. I just love them because there are so many assorted sizes in this, and it's a lot of fun, a lot of trend these days to use sequences and enamel dots and all those kind of things. I've arranged the sequins according to my desire, and I have to add a sentiment to complete this card, and I'll be choosing You Are My Favorite from the same stamp set, and with VersaFine black onyx ink, I'll stamp it below the colored image. I am using VersaFine black onyx ink pad to stamp my sentiment because this ink gives you the most crisp images as compared to any other ink. I will just finish it off and mat it over a black cardstock, and then again mat it over a red cardstock. This will finish my card for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. And do try this. It's a beautiful stamp, and I think there can be many other looks which we can achieve from this one stamp set. So this is my finished card, and thanks for watching. See you soon.